What the fuck, camera?
That's good.
I wasn't expecting that to have that much water in it.
Yeah, dude, that was a lot.
Next, we're going to release a locking tab from the
Excuse me. Let's see, goodbye. Taking the injectors off now. How's it? How you feeling?
Alright, how about yourself?
I'm pretty good. I just cut my block with an angle grinder.
Yeah? How's that feel?
On my 2015 car. That's got 32,000 miles on it. Kind of scared.
Are ya?
I'm still scared.
Oh, I bet. There's no getting around that. What are you gonna do about like that?
I don't need it.
You don't need it?
I think in the video he polishes it all the way down to that. But he also said be careful not cut through the timing case, because all this is the bottom of the head right here. Okay,
Yeah.
This is the bottom of the head. So the timing case is connected to the head, and because you got individual cams, a dual overhead cam, or no, single overhead cam, but it's a dual cam or some shit. There's a cam in each one, I think. I think
Yeah.
that's what it is. I'm not 100%. But listen, there's a cam in each side.
Yeah.
There's a chain
Mm-hmm.
running to the fucking camshaft or the crankshaft down at the bottom.
And it's all connected to
And
the timing.
it's all connected to the timing. It's a big timing chain.
So in the GT500, it's 4 camshafts.
If it's bigger, no. Well, it's the 5.8. I don't know. I honestly don't, buddy.
I'm almost positive that's what it is. Cletus did it. He had. The ball peen? Just crack that son bitch.
You just cut my fucking block.
I just dude. You did. You did. Goodbye warranty.
The back of the water pump housing. With a small hammer, tap slightly, it'll break off and remove sections.
This man said new cartridges.
See that one? That looks different than mine.
In front of the driver's side head, we're going to take a small hammer, tap slightly, it'll break off and remove sections.
His is all the way to this right here. He cut all that off.
So is that what you finna do?
Yeah.
Cole?
So that's as far back as it's going, but now I need to go down. It's gotta be flat. My fucking arm is.
Did I know why?
It's like it's a lot trying to hold this motherfucker.
Oh, dude, I bet. You having a fun time?
No. I'm scared. Because I'm trying not to slip and hit the bottom of the head and jam it through. Like right here where I hit it and nicked it. Like I've hit it pretty fucking good, and I just don't want to fucking go through the block. Or the bottom of the head or something, you know?
Yeah. That's crazy.
What?
I'm looking at your head.
Yeah.
Like the amp.
Yeah. just gonna give a little update, guys. We have cut the block in three places. One here, smooth enough. Cut it there. Most of all, I had to cut it right here. This is that's it. We are nose deep into this job. We've been out here since 1 o'clock. It is now probably 7:30 or so. Yeah, we're cooking away.